Good morning, students. I hope everyone are fine. So, in the last class, we discussed that is exercise number 4.1, right? So, in 4.4, up to which main I completed, that is the second main. Arrange the fractions in a ascending order. How to do that? Ascending order, I told. Ascending order is nothing but the smallest to biggest number you have to write. And before going to write the smallest to biggest, the denominator should be same only. So for that reason, I am taking we have to take the LCM of that numbers and multiply with that number, and we can write that ascending order of the numbers, right? Similarly, third mainly one, I showed one as an example, another three problems, do it yourself. Okay, the third main is arrange the fractions in a ascending order. Okay, third main 3.4, that is, sorry, 4.1, right? 4.1, arrange the fractions in a descending order. First one is a 1 by 12 and 1 by 8, sorry, 1 by 2 and here 1 by 8 and 1 by 8. You have to arrange these fractions in the decreasing order, descending order. Descending order is nothing but what? It is a biggest to smallest number you have to write here. So whenever the numerator value is same, I told how to write that one, right? So if which one is a greater, no, that will, this in the denominator which one number is greater, no, that number will become a very smallest value. The which number is smaller, no, that value will become a bigger value. Okay, so here 2 is the smaller value, but 1 by 2 is the greater value. So descending order is descending order is 1 by 2, next 1 by 3, and here 1 by 8 and 1 by 12. Okay, whenever the numerator is same, we have to take a reciprocal of that number. Which one is the greater in numbers? 2, 3, 8, 12. You have to compare. You know that which one is the greater. Obviously 12 is the greater. But 1 by 12 will become the smallest number in that. And 1 by 2. 2 is the smallest number. But 1 by 2 will become a greatest number. So that's why I am writing the first number as 1 by 2. Next after that 1 by 3, 1 by 8, 1 by 12. Okay, so this is the descending order of the given fraction. Next go for the, I'll do another problem. Second one. Okay, big one. This is the 8th one. 7 by 15, comma 5 by 2, comma 1 by 5, comma 4 by 3. Okay, take the LCM first, because in numerator also not same and in denominator also not same. Then we can't compare the which one is the greater and which one is the smaller. For that reason, make a denominator as a equal. So for that I am taking a LCM of those numbers, then we can compute. So here first take a 3 5 15, 2 here, 3 ones are. Next 5 ones are, here also 5 ones are, only left with the 2. So take a 2 here again. All values are 1 1. What is the LCM here? 3 into 5 into 2. So 3 5 are 15, 15 2s are 30. Okay, so 30 is the LCM. 30 means what we have to multiply here to get a 30. To get a 30, we have to multiply with a 2 by 2. And here 15 by 15. And here 6 by 6. And here 10 by 10. We have to multiply, right? So 15 into 2 is 30 and 7 into 2 is 14. 15 5s are 75. Here 2 15s are 30 again. 5 6 are 30 and 1 into 6 is 6. Comma 4 into 10 is 40 and 3 into 10 is 30. Now all the denominator values are same here. All the denominator values are same means you have to compare the only numerator values. Which one is the greater first? 75 by 30 is a greater fraction. So write the descending order means first you have to write the greater number 75 by 30, next 40 by 30, and next one is a 14 by 30, and next one is a 6 by 30. Okay, you can leave here only. This one also correct. Otherwise, which one is 75 by 30? It is 5 by 2. We can write like this. So this is nothing but this is equal to what? 5 by 2, comma, and 40 by 30 is what? It is a 4 by 3. 4 by 3 means 14 by 30 is 7 by 15. And next 6 by 30 is 1 by 5. Like this also you can write. This is also correct. This one is also correct and this one is also correct. If you stop here only, then also they will give a marks. Don't worry about that. Okay. Otherwise you can write like that also. It's your wish. Okay. So we completed the third main also. Another two problems are there that will do it yourself. I won't do that one. Okay. So third main completed. Now go for the fourth main. In a recipe, 3 by 4th cup of egg and 2 by 5th cup of butter are required. Which ingredient is used more in the recipe? Okay, means you have to compare which one is a greater here, whether 3 by 4 or 2 by 5 they are asking. Okay, so again to compare these two values we have to make a denominator value is same here. Then only we can compare which one is a greater and which one is a smaller. So take a LCM of those two and multiply and make it equal. Okay, so two values in fourth main. What are the two values they given here? That is a 3 by 4 and 2 by 5. Right? So 3 by 4 and 2 by 5 means multiply here and 2 by 5 will be 4 by 4. That is 15 by 20 and 8 by 20. Which one is a greater? This one is a greater, right? So 15 by 20 is greater by 20. That is nothing but a 3 by 4 is greater than the 2 by 5. So what is the 3 by 4 here? 3 by 4th cup of a yogurt. Okay. So the which ingredient is used more here? The yogurt is used more here. Okay. That is the conclusion for the fourth problem. Now go for the fifth one. Ramesh uses a 4 by 7th bucket of a paint to cover one wall of a house, and whereas Hari uses a 4 by 9th bucket of a paint to cover the another wall of the same size of the house. Who uses a more paint? Okay, ಯಾರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ paint ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So again it is a comparison only. What are the given here? Fifth one is a 4 by 7 and 4 by 9. I told whenever the numerator is same, just observe the denominator and compare. Here denominators are 7 and 9. In 7 and 9, which one is the greater? 9 is the greater. But whenever we are taking a reciprocal of that number, reciprocal means 9 is only 9 is in a numerator, but here 9 is in a denominator. For that reason, its value is a decreases. Okay. So 9 is a greater means here we are having a 9 is in a denominator. That's why this value will become a smaller. Okay. So here 4 by 7 is a greater than the 4 by 9. So 4 by 7 is a greater means who uses a more paint here? That is Ramesh. Okay. Therefore write it. Ramesh uses a more paint. Okay, he used a more paint to paint the wall. So 4.1 completed. Next year we are having a addition and subtraction of the fractions and subtraction of a like fractions and addition of unlike fractions. See, before that I will tell that is a like fraction and unlike fraction. What is the meaning of the like fraction and unlike fraction? Like fraction is nothing but if the fractions are having the same denominator. Like fractions and unlike fractions. Okay. If the denominator is same, see here. 1 by 2, 3 by 2 and 4 by 2 and 5 by 2, 6 by 2. All are denominator? If the denominator is same, then it is called as the like fraction. See here. Unlike means 1 by 3, 5 by 4, 6 by 7, okay, so on. So if the denominator is not same, then it is called as the unlike fraction. If the denominator is same, then it is called as the like fraction. Okay, like fraction is nothing but having a denominator is a same value. If the denominator value is not same, then they are called as the unlike fractions. If denominator same, then we can add the fractions easily. But if it is not same, if it is an unlike fraction, then we have to do some LCM and all the procedures are there. Okay, so that is the meaning of the like and unlike fractions. And next one, subtract and okay, fine. So directly start with the, that is a 4.2. Okay, so start the 4.2. Exercise number 4.2, first main. What the given first main? Add the following. Add the following. Eighth one. That is 5 by 11 plus 3 by 11 plus 7 by 11. Okay. Here denominator is same. Means it is a all are the like fractions. Okay. Now add them. Don't add the denominator value. It is not a method to add the fraction. Only how to add the numerator values. The denominator, whatever the value is in the denominator, right? That only how to write here. Don't add the denominator values. Only how to add numerator values. 5 plus 3 plus 7. What is the value? 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. Answer is 15 by 11. Answer is 15 by 11. Okay. So go for the next problem. That is B one. B one is a, here they given a unlike fraction. Unlike fraction means you have to take the LCM of that one. 2 by 3. Okay. So what is the LCM of this 4, 6, 3. So that is a 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 here 3. These 2 1s are and here 3 1s are 1. So 2 into 2 into 3, that is 4, 12. LCM is 12. Okay, so now make them as a, see here, 5 by 4. So all the LCMs are here, that is all the denominator should be 12 only. Okay, so what we have to multiply here to get a 12? See here, 4 3s are 12. Whenever we are writing a equal fractions, we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same value. Howda? Denominator ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ denominator ಗೆ same value ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ we are getting a equal fractions. ಹೌದಾ? So 5 by 4 equal fraction ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ನನಗೆ. For that reason I am multiplying the denominator also 12 and numerator also, sorry, we want in the denominator as the value is 12. For that reason I am multiplying denominator as a 3 because 4 3s are 12. ಹೌದಾ? 4 3s are 12 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಗೆ. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಗೂ 3 ಇಂದನೇ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? Because we want a equal fraction ಅಲ್ವಾ. So here multiply 5 also by a 3. That is 5 and next here 6. 6 2s are. ಹೌದಾ? Next 3 4s are. Now multiply here. 5 3s are how much? 15 plus 7 2s are 14 plus 2 4s are 8. Now add. That is 12 here and here. So that is 29. 29 plus 8, that is 37 by 12. Answer is 37 by 12. This is the one method. Another one method is there. I'll show you. Okay. So, or right here. Already we know that LCM is 12. I won't do again this. LCM is 12. Okay. We want the addition of that fraction. Then 5 by 4 can be written as a 3 by 3, that is a 15 by 12. Next 7 by 6, that can be written as a 2 by 2. So 7 to the 14, it is the 12. And 2 by 3, and it is 4 by 4, that is the 8 by 12. Now we are having all the denominators same value, that is the 15 by 12 plus 14 by 12 plus 8 by 12. So this is can be written as 12 here, 15 plus 14 plus 8, that is equal to 37 by 12. Same answer. Okay. I directly multiplied here. If you are not getting how to multiply here, then take a separate fraction. 5 by 4. Our intention is to make a denominator is the same value. Same as you compared now in ascending order and descending order. Like that you have to do first. After that add all the values, because here they given a addition of those numbers. So do the addition, means denominator is same value. So we can add easily. Take a denominator here and 15 plus 14 plus 8. Here this is a direct method. If you are not getting this direct here, then do the separate multiplication and make it all the numbers like this. Then after that add. Okay, both are correct, but prefer this only because it will save the time. Okay, in beginning it will get a confuse in that, you will get a confuse in this problem. Okay, after solving a 3-2 problems and practice more, then it will be a very easy, because it's a doing, it is also correct, but it's a waste of time. Here you have to need a long time to do this one, but here it will be a small, we can do in mind only. You have to do the calculation and write directly like that. Okay, but both are correct. Which way you are feeling better, no, that only how to use. Okay, so next one, go for the seat one. What is the seat problem? First means seat one, 3 integer 1 by 5 plus 2 integer 3 by 10. Okay, so here they given a mixed fraction. First convert this mixed fraction into a improper fraction. How to do that one? 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16 by 5 plus 10 into 2. That is 20 plus 3 is 23 by 10. That is equal to. Now take a LCM here. Okay. So 5 and 10 is there. What is the LCM of 5 and 10 here? LCM of 5 and 10 is 5 ones are 5 twos are. Here 2. That is LCM is 10 only. 5 into 2, that is a 10 only. Okay. So do the separate only. So otherwise you will not getting here. Okay. So LCM is 10. That is we have to multiply here. 16 by 5 is a 2 by 2. Separately make the fractions as the same. We wanted in the denominator value is a 10 only. Okay. So for that you can take a separate fraction, that is a 2 by 2. Here 32 by 10 and 23 by 10 means it is a 1 only. Already in the denominator value is there. 23 by 10 only. Now it will become a 32 by 10 plus it is a same as it is. So now both denominator are same, then now add here. 32 plus 23, it will become a 5 and here is 5. 55 by 10 is the answer. 55 by 10 is the answer. This is a rough one. Okay. So like this you have to do. Otherwise we can take directly here. 5 twos are, here 2s are, and here 1s are. 16 twos are 32 and 23 ones are 23. Like that also you have to do. It's your wish. Okay. So go for the D problem. Go to the D one, that is a 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 8 by 3. Okay. So what is the LCM here? LCM is 15. LCM is 15 here. 15 means 5 here, 5. 5 1 is 3, 3 1 is. So 5 into 3, that is the 15 is the LCM. Okay. So here 5 3s are and here 5 3s are 3 5s are. 3 2s are 6 plus 3 1s are 3 plus 8 5s are 14. I am doing directly. See here. 2 by 5. That is the multiply with the 3 by 12. That is 6 by 50. Next 1 by 5 multiply with the 3 only 3 by 50. Right. Next 8 by 3 into 5 by 5, that will become a 50 by 50. So we did all the denominator as a 15 15 15. Now add 6 plus 3 plus 40. Okay. So that is the 49 by 15 is the answer. Answer is 49 by 15. Okay. Next, each problem. Each one. 4 integer 2 by 9 plus 3 integer 1 by 10. 9 for the 36. 36 plus 2 is 38 by 9 plus 10, 30, 31 by 10. What is the LCM here? LCM is 90. Okay, take the LCM of 10 and 9. The 9 ones are 10 ones are. 9 into 10 is equal to 90 only LCM here. So we have to make a 38 by 9. The LCM is 9. Here in the denominator we want the 10 value. That is a 380 divided by 90. And here 31 by 10 into 10, 9 by 9. So to multiply. Because we want a 90 value. That is a 9 ones are 9 is a 27. Okay. So now 380 plus 279. So now add here 9, 15, 1, 6. Okay. So the answer is 659 by 90 is the answer. That F problem, do it yourself. That is nothing but a what? 9 plus 4 by 7 means it is 9 by 1 plus 4 by 7. 1 and 7. 1 and 7. What is the LCM of 1 and 7? It is 7. Okay. Multiply and write the answer. Okay. So the 4.2 first main completed. The homework is solve this exercise number 4.2 as well as 4.1. 4.2 only one main. 4.1 all the mains. Okay. That is in a HW you have to solve as well as at the same time complete your CW also. Okay. So we'll continue in the next class. Till that, be safe in your home. Okay. Thank you everyone.